So today I read about algebraic thinking, generalizations, patterns, and functions, which is chapter 14 in the math book I've been following. And one of the resources it gives for technology is the Illuminations by the NCTM. And it talked about an interactive balancing activity. So we're going to go to that. You're going to click on interactives, all interactives. And then you're going to come over here and click algebra. And I clicked 3 to 5 and search. And then you scroll down and it's not in interactives like I told it to go to. So we'll try that again. Algebra, 3 to 5, search. There we go, it's better. And then we're gonna go down, and as you can see right here, there's 3 different ones that students could work with, depending on where you are in teaching balancing of equations. They can work with shapes, they can work with equations and numbers, or they can work with the equations and numbers but also see it on a graph. For the purposes of this vlog, I'm just going to use the numbers one. And so this is what it looks like. And so you could give students an equation. Say you wanted them to explore what is equal to 5 times 5. And so they go into the other one and say they thought that 10 plus 5 would be the same as 5 times 5 for some reason. They can see that it's still not, that's lighter because it's 15, so it's not equal to the 25. And so they can backspace it and say they tried, just typing in 25, like the answer, like that. It will say that it's balanced, and it will come in over here. And so they can try again. Say they did 50, and you can see when they go 50 it goes down lower because it's heavier than 25, but then divided by 2. They see that that's a balance, and every time they get a balanced equation, it keeps it over here. So by the end of them exploring this 5 times 5, they're going to have a list of what is equal to 5 times 5. Get another one up there. So you, as a teacher, can give them the red equation, the one that you want them to explore, and then they can explore all the different ways that they can get that same equation. And this teaches them that when you have a variable on one side, say this said, say this was written as 5 times 5 equals x, and over here was x, then it teaches them that x is going to be the same as this 25. So it helps give more meaning to what the equal sign means, which was a point that they stressed in the book, because there was a fact given that students were given an equation, and oh, here it is. It was 8 plus 4 equals blank plus 5, and less than 10% of the students, grades 1 through 6, would put 7 to make the equations equal, like we're doing in this activity, but they would put 12 and 17 because they would just add all the numbers together. So this activity here will give more meaning to what the equal sign means. And once again, you can find that at Illuminations www.nctm.org under the interactives. And there's a lot more stuff at the website along with lessons, but that's where that tool is.